Imagine this. You've just finished a long day of work. You've been sitting at your desk for hours on end, and as you rise from your chair, a sharp pain shoots through your lower back. It's a pain that's all too familiar, a constant companion that seems to grow more persistent with each passing day. You're not alone in this. Millions worldwide grapple with low back pain, a common ailment often linked to sedentary lifestyles, poor posture, and improper lifting techniques. Today we'll take a journey together, a journey towards relief and recovery. We'll explore 5 effective exercises that can help alleviate lower back pain, exercises that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. Remember, consistency is key. Our first stop is the knee to chest stretch. You'll start by laying flat on your back, arms at your sides, knees bent, and feet flat on the floor. Slowly bring one knee up towards your chest, using your hands to gently pull it closer. Hold this position for about 20 seconds, then slowly lower your leg back to the starting position. Repeat this with the other leg. This exercise helps to stretch your lower back and align your pelvis. Next up is the pelvic tilt. Start in the same position as the knee to chest stretch. This time, you'll push your lower back into the floor by pulling your belly button towards your spine and tightening your abdominal muscles. Hold this position for about 10 seconds, then relax. Repeat this exercise 10 times. This helps strengthen your core muscles, which are integral to supporting your lower back. The third exercise is the bridge. Start by laying flat on your back, knees bent, and feet flat on the floor. Keeping your shoulders and head relaxed on the floor, lift your hips to create a straight line from your knees to your shoulders. Hold this position for about 6 seconds, then slowly lower your hips back to the floor. Repeat this exercise 10 times. This strengthens your lower back and hip muscles. Our fourth exercise is the cat stretch. Start on your hands and knees, ensuring your hands are directly beneath your shoulders and your knees are under your hips. Slowly arch your back, tucking your belly button towards your spine. Hold this position for about 10 seconds, then relax. Repeat this exercise 10 times. This helps improve flexibility and strength in your lower back and core muscles. Finally, we have the bird dog exercise. Start on your hands and knees just like the cat stretch. This time you'll extend one leg and the opposite arm simultaneously. Hold this position for about 5 seconds, then return to the starting position. Repeat this with the other arm and leg. This exercise improves core strength and stability, which can help reduce lower back pain. Remember, these exercises are but a stepping stone on your path to relief and recovery. Regular exercise, maintaining good posture, and lifting objects correctly can all contribute to a pain-free lower back. Listen to your body, and if the pain persists, do not hesitate to seek professional advice. In summary, we've learned about 5 effective exercises for lower back pain: the knee to chest stretch, the pelvic tilt, the bridge, the cat stretch, and the bird dog exercise. We've also emphasized the importance of consistency, good posture, and correct lifting techniques in managing lower back pain. And remember, each journey begins with a single step. So why not take that step today? Your back will thank you for it.